Hello, Scorpio Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tyler PH. Kamusta po kayo? Nandito po kayo ngayon sa inyong weekly reading for Feb 24 to March 2. Patapos na po ang ating Pebrero. Kamusta po kayo? Kamusta ang inyong buhay-buhay? Kwento niyo po sa baba kung ano yung mga wishes niyo and plans ninyo, no? Para ma-manifest niyo yan. So, comment down below. So, take nyo lang po yung makaresonate kayo and leave the rest. Huwag nyo na pong isipin masyado yung mga hindi akma sa life nyo. Para sa ibang Scorpio yun. So, use po your intuition para makuha nyo po yung akmang messages na bigay sa inyo ng inyong spirit guides sa ating reading. Thank you po again for the likes, the shares, and the subscriptions. And also for those who are not skipping the ads, maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity and kindness sa ating channel. Kaya po ang reason kung bakit nag-grow ang channel natin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at pagmamahal. Okay, start na po tayo. Abangan nyo nga po pala next week ang inyong comprehensive na March monthly reading. So, detalyado po yan at saka talagang malaman. So, abangan nyo po yan. Stay tuned for that. Okay, at the center of your reading, you have the Death card. Wow! Rebirth. In the area of what you want, you have the Chariot. In the area of what you need, you have the Ace of Cups. Wow. In the area of your recent past, you have the Three of Wands. In the area of your near future, you have the Four of Swords. In the area of your challenge this week, you have the Queen of Pentacles. In the area of your fortune, you have the Five of Wands. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Justice card and the Three of Pentacles. Wow. In the area of your outcome this week, Scorpio, you have the Six of Wands, victory. At the bottom of your deck, tingnan natin, you have the Fool card. Wow, parang a new start, a new beginning for you, a chance for you to take a leap of faith. Kung may gusto kang i-try, now is the time. Kung may gusto kang subukan, kung may naisip kang idea or a passion project, or try mong sa loob-loob mo, gusto mo ng bago, gusto mo ng sumubok sa bagong trabaho o bagong environment, now is the right time for you to do that. So, congratulations, Scorpio, may bagong simula at bagong kaganapan sa life mo. Pasok na pasok siya sa the Fool. You have the rebirth, the transformation at the center of your reading. You have the Death card, meaning transformation, bagong ikaw, ganyan. Meron kang mga bagong sisimulan this week, whether you're trying to go abroad na, bagong simula yan, or trying a new job, papasok ka ulit sa school, mga ganyan. So, may pagbabago sa life mo na nagre-require sa you to think new things and to adjust and to enter something new. So, may mga bagong parating na mga bagong opportunity, bagong environment, bagong experiences, ganyan. So, the Death card is being clarified by the Empress card. Yes, kung ano daw itong mga sisimulan mo ay patungo sa mga bagong simula na magbubunga. Whether for others, I'm seeing someone is now trying to conceive, so magkakaroon ng baby. For others, I'm seeing you entering a new life of abundance. Whether bagong job na magandang-maganda yung sahod, maayos yung boss, mababait yung mga co-workers mo. For others, I'm seeing you entering a new business na mas mag-work this time. So, kung halimbawa, dati, physical store lang, tapos yung physical store mo, wala masyadong nadating na customers, itatry mo halimbawa mag-online yan, tsaka makakuha halimbawa ng maraming ng customers kasi online na yan, maraming makakakita. So, may paglago doon sa bagay na yun. So, kung ano naman tong susubukan mong bago with a Fool card and with a Death card, dyan mo makikita yung paglago at pagbago at pag-development ng mga bagay. So, merong leveling up na mangyayari sa'yo this week, Scorpio. Akit po tayo sa area of your conscious and subconscious part. In the position of what you want, you have the Chariot. Gusto mo talagang ubabante na, gusto mo na ng lumarga, gusto mo na ng pagbangon naman, I'm hearing parang it's time for you to really move forward and get started with something. Kung ano man daw itong balak mo simulan, ngayon, time na to start. You want na parang umalis na sa nakagisnan mo. I'm seeing traveling for others, whether lilipat ka na ng bahay, lilipat ka na ng probinsya, or lilipat ka na ng trabaho. Basta may something movement, may travel, may paglipat, merong pagpunta from one place to the other, ganyan. So the Chariot's being clarified by the Four of Pentacles. It's all about your financial stability. and holding on to the things that are important to you. So kung itong paglipat na to, itong pagkilos na to ay para sa mga bagay na pangpatagalan for your future, for your family's future, I'm seeing you having that brave courage, a valiant courage to do that, whether traveling abroad for financial stability para mapag-aral mo yung mga anak mo, makabili na kayo ng bahay at lupa, ganyan. So you're thinking about that, about movement for stability ng family mo at sa'yo din. At makaipon na din. In the area of what you need, kailangan mo daw ng buong pusong atensyon dito. Hindi kailangan ng hindi mo daw kailangan na parang urong-sulong ka sa desisyon mo to, Scorpio. Kasi I'm seeing malaking desisyon ito eh. Malaking pagkilos ito eh. So you need to really put your whole heart on it. Sumugal ka, mabante ka para sa mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo, pero kailangan daw yung buong puso mo nandoon. Kasi kapag hindi buong puso ang inialay mo sa isang bagay, madali kang ma-burnout, madali kang panghinaan ng loob, madali kang sumuko, madali kang konting aberya lang o konting problema lang, hindi mo napupuntahan o hindi mo nagagawin yung para sa pangarap mo, diba? So kung importante sa iyo yung isang bagay, yung isang tao, if it's about love life, you need to put your whole heart on it. Because I'm seeing you at the end of this journey, you'll be very, very happy. May victory card ka dito, dalawa, 5 of wands, saka 6 of wands. So, you're gonna be happy, you're gonna be crying of tears of joy sa bagay na to. So, you need to really put your whole heart on it, focus, and don't lose hope, okay? So, the Ace of Cups is being clarified, but the 10 of Cups, yes, completion. May masayang celebration for your family. Everything that you're gonna do this time around is for the betterment of your family, para sa kasaganaan ng pamilya mo, ng household mo, ng bahay mo. I'm seeing you buying a house, buying a lote, ganyan. So, basta yung puso mo nakalaan doon, hindi ka maliligaw at hindi ka mahihirapang kunin yon, because you know, malinaw sa'yo yung endpoint at yung result na gusto mo makuha. In the area of your recent past, you have the 3 of Wands. Talagang lumarga ka, no? Kasi I'm seeing this parang taking action on a decision. So, meron kang pinag-desisyonan in the past na parang, okay, it's time for me to work on this. So, may transformation nangyari kasi may pag-action na nangyari in the past. So, kung ano man tong pinag-desisyonan mo na nahirapan ka rin, I'm hearing matagal mo rin itong pinagplanuhan, matagal mo rin itong pinaghandaan, whether nag-ipon ka ng maraming pera para mapaglaanan yung papers abroad o yung pamasahe abroad o yung training for something. For others, I'm seeing na may abante ka na before about a certain passion project. May sinimulan ka in the past and now you're seeing na kailangan ng changes for this to really move forward and mag-accumulate ng good result. So the 3 of Wands is being clarified by the 8 of Swords. So you worked on the things na feeling mo stuck ka in the past. Yung mga bagay na nasa isip mo lang yan, na stuck ka, na wala kang magagawa, na kulang ka o may pagkukulang ka o wala kang ganito, wala kang ganyan. Hindi ka nakatapos kaya feeling mo hindi ka makakaabante. You worked hard on that. You worked on that negative thought and negative thinking about yourself. I'm seeing also you in the past may paggaling o meron ka ng parang sinimulan kaya umayos ang mga bagay-bagay sa life mo. You worked on a habit, parang ganon. So, parang inayos mo din yung lifestyle mo. For other Scorpio ito. So, I'm seeing you getting away from negative things in your past and trying to work on it. Kasi siguro may bagong simula ka dito sa gitna. And you're working on the development of a lot of things, whether personal passion project or sa trabaho o sa negosyo o kahit sa pag-iisip mo lang actually. So, may nabuo ka something, a decision in your mindset, ganyan. Parang ayoko na yan, ito nang gagawin ko. Ito pala yung dapat kong gawin, ganun. In the near future, napakaganda, may 4 of Swords. Parang may kapayapaan sa life mo in the near future, Scorpio. Parang lahat ng tinrabaho mo, may bunga. Hindi ka na mag-iisip kung ano kakainin bukas o may ipon ka ba, may panggastos ka ba, ganito kapag may emergency. I'm seeing you so safe and sound and sleeping better. I'm seeing you masaya ka, hindi ka na masyadong nababother, hindi ka na masyadong na-stress. So there's peaceful life coming your way in the near future. So napakaganda nito, 4 of Swords para sa'yo. So the 4 of Swords being clarified by the 9 of Pentacles, yes. Financial stability, freedom to do whatever you want. I'm seeing you being content, nakaupo ka, masaya ka, kung ano yung meron ka, kung ano yung na-accomplish mo, kung ano yung mga bagay na nakamal mo from your hard work. This is you enjoying the fruit of your labor, may financial stability, may financial freedom to do whatever you want. So, meron kang katahimikan and also kayamanan in the near future. So, I'm seeing you very content and very happy in the near future. Ang ganda ng future mo, Scorpio. Ang challenge mo this week, bago mo puntahan yung future na yan, ay Queen of Pentacles. Panghawakan mo yung mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo, in-nurture mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong mabuo at gusto mong yumabong. If it's about a negosyo, make sure na nakatuon ka dyan, nakafocus ka dyan, at alam mo yung iba't ibang pasikot-sikot para kung magkaroon man ng aberya ay madali mo masolusyonan. Make sure na ang kasama mo sa life mo ay yung mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, mga tao na importante sa iyo at yung mga taong maaasahan mo because hindi pwedeng ikaw lang. Make sure that you are surrounded with the people that you know that are there for you at your lowest at tutulungan ka makabangon, okay? Queen of Pentacles is about having also that confidence sa sarili mo na kaya mo. Ano man ang harapin mo, kaya mo at nakafocus ka at hindi ka naliligaw, hindi ka nadidistract sa iba't ibang bagay. Kung ano yung goal mo, doon ka lang nakafocus at make sure that you have your full attention to that. So, Queen of Pentacles being clarified by the Fool card. Dalawang beses lumabas yung Fool. So, itong bagong simula ang magdadala sa iyo ng ng kasaganaan. So, make sure na hindi ka rin overwhelmed o hindi ka rin natatakot at hindi ka rin badalos-dalos. Yan. That's the right word na magko-complement dito sa dalawang bagay na ito. Huwag kang padalos-dalos sa isang desisyon that just because you think kaya mo na or you think you have whatever it takes na panghawakan yung isang bagay. Kailangan focus ka pa rin dyan, hindi ka kampante. Okay? So, find ways on how to maneuver things. Huwag ka basta-basta gagawa ng desisyon na padalos-dalos. Okay? In the area of your fortune, you're gonna win this. Win a competition, win an argument, win a dispute. Kung meron mang hindi pagkakaunawaan sa family mo, o sa friends mo, o sa trabaho, merong resolution dyan sa bagay na yan. You're gonna win, you're gonna come on top and win this. Matututo ka din sa mga bagay na to para meron ka ding learnings na makukuha sa mga pinagdaanan mong problema na yan. Whether problema sa papeles, problema sa approval, you're gonna see na parang meron ka rin natutunan sa bagay na yan. So the next time you're gonna come across the same situation, alam mo na kung anong gagawin. So there's this accumulation of knowledge and wisdom sa bagay na yan, Scorpio. So the Five of Wands being clarified by the Page of Swords. Yes, accumulation of knowledge and wisdom talaga to. Meron ka pag-abante at pagsugod na kahit hindi mo alam ang mangyayari, hindi ka sigurado, maraming mga tao nagkasabi sige na pinagdudahan ka o parang pinapahina ka ng mga opinion nila at sinasabi nila. I'm seeing you still conquering them and doing the things na alam mong tama para sa'yo at hindi ka panghihinaan ng loob. So congratulations because there's this parang fire within you to continue. And you know to yourself na tama ito. And you know to yourself na ito yung nakalaan sa yung dapat mong gawin. And hindi ka papipigil sa mga ibang tao. I'm also seeing you getting that good news about something. So congratulations, Scorpio. Kasi Page of Swords nandito good news yan. Pwedeng sa email, sa chat, or a phone call. So abangan mo yan, Scorpio. In the area of your advice from the divine, you have the Justice card and the Three of Pentacles, getting the good karma sa mga bagay na ginawa mo in the past. So probably nahirapan ka sa workplace. May mga tao ba sa trabaho mo na toxic o ginugulangan ka o pinagkakaisahan ka o ginagaslight ka, minamanipulate ka. So you're gonna get that justice, a harmony in your life. May kita mo, may good news pa parating sa'yo tapos sa kanila kakarmahin sila sa mga ginawa nila sa'yo. So, I'm seeing you just do your job. Do the right thing. Yun ang tama. Kung ano yung tama, yun ang gawin mo. Kahit ano pang sabihin nila, kahit ano pang gawin nila. Basta nasa tama ka, the good karma is gonna come to you. And the truth will come to you at aayos ang lahat para sa'yo. Huwag mo na isipin masyado yung drama ng ibang tao sa trabaho mo o sa pamilya mo. Just do what you can and do your responsibility rightly and correctly. Good karma and good results will come to you. Okay? Justice is being clarified by the Two of Pentacles. Yes, balance will be restored, like I've said kanina. So, basta may good karma paparating. Three of Pentacles being clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. So, justice na to, ang paparating sa'yo ay a new opportunity. Pwedeng ikaw mapansin ng boss mo na dedicated ka masyado, hindi ka madrama, hindi ka pumapatol sa conflict. So, your boss probably will give you a heads up or a incentive o ikaw ang laging mapapansin, mapupuri ka, ganyan. But for others, a new opportunity about a job is secured for you as a result of your good karma. So, ano ka lang, do the right thing lang, huwag ka papaapekto sa ibang tao. Bago tayo puntahan ito yung outcome na napakaganda na victory card, let's have additional messages from the divine. Number 31, kung importante po sa inyo ang number 31, a birthday or age or significant number for you, this is a confirmation that this reading is for you. Kung nakakita po kayo ng groundhog anywhere, whether pictures, internet, personal, nakita lang, o napanood, o napag-usapan, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. Time to let go. Ano daw ba yung mga bagay na kailangan mo i-let go para makapagsimula ka na? Makasugal ka na sa bago, magkaroon ka na ng transformation. You walked on something so na-let go mo na to So it's time really to let go of something and move on. Another message, don't let your past hold you back, South Node. So ano ba yung mga bagay sa nakaraan mo, whether problema sa mga workmates mo, o past lover, o past mistakes, a trauma. So it's time to really, don't let those traumas and conflicts and mistakes and heartaches, heartbreaks, sorrows, pains, scars to hold you back. Maraming mga bagong simula paparating sa'yo. You're gonna win this. You're gonna win this. So, may victory ka. So, wag mo hayaan yung past mo ipaulit-ulit na makaapekto sa'yo. Okay? Scorpio, next message, uncovering treasure beneath the surface lies great bounty. So, kung nahihirapan ka man ngayon, at kung nagsisimula ka ulit, halimbawa, huwag ka panghinaan ng loob din at the end, mayroong mga treasures and bounty na naghihintay sa iyo, abundance. So, huwag kang susuko at huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. Ang iyong outcome this week, Scorpio, you have the 6 of Wands. Attached siya dito sa iyong near future na kasaganaan and also peaceful life. So, there's a victory. Parang meron kang nasa limelight ka. People are noticing you. People are applauding to you. Kung nasa social media ka man ngayon, like I've said kanina, kung simula ka man ng online selling, I'm seeing na marami ng customers, marami na makakita sa page mo. For others, social media, marami kang followers, subscribers, ads, ganyan. For others, I'm seeing you walking on that stage and having this speech, graduation, fulfillment. Kung parang meron kang na-reach na quota, people are applauding and congratulating you. But for others, I'm seeing na kung itong bagong simula na gagawin mo, you gotta be victorious on that. If you're thinking of a question now, the answer is yes. Yes to a approval abroad. Yes, makakasampa ka na sa barko. Yes, makukuha mo itong job na to. Yes, makakalagpas ka sa training na to. Yes, pasok ka sa top 10. Yes, I'm seeing you graduating. Yes, meron kang pag-oo or the papers are all approved, ganyan. So, congratulations because a victory is coming your way, Scorpio. So, i-clarify natin yan para mas malalim. 6 of Swords is being clarified by the lovers. Yes, victory ka sa usaping puso mo, whether love life ito or bagay na pinili mo, because lovers is all about choices. So, kung ano yung pinili mo now, na whether passion project o trabaho o negosyo o itinatrabaho mo, your choice will become your victory. So, kung ano man po yung bagay na pinagkakaabalahan mo at pinaglalaanan mo ng oras at atensyon, pera, pawis, pagod, lahat, nagiging victorious ka dyan, and it will lead you to a prosperous, peaceful life na puno ng financial stability and financial freedom. So, congratulations sa'yo, Scorpio. Napakaganda ng reading mo. Kung saan po kayo naka-resonate, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you for all the likes, for shares, and for subscriptions. And thank you again for not skipping the ads. Thank you for your generosity and kindness. See you again po next week for your comprehensive March full month reading. This has been James for James Tyler PH. God bless everybody.